Welcome back once again in English grammar class. This is Uma Vidoshi, your English teacher. Students, today we are going to learn about how to write paragraphs. So, without wasting much time, be ready with your copy and pen and let's start learning how to write a paragraph. So, what is a paragraph? Paragraph is a series of sentences or a group of sentences that are organized and coherent and are all related to a single topic. Breaking the last sentence essay and topic into small pieces in a well structured form is known as paragraph. Now, understand what is the structure of a paragraph? So, a structure of a paragraph consists of three things: topic sentences, supporting sentences, and closing sentences. So, topic sentences introduce the main idea of the paragraph, whereas the supporting sentences give details to develop and support the main idea of the paragraph. And the last closing sentences restates the main idea of it. You can also understand this by Humber structure. On the very top layer, you have to place the introduction, means the introduction of the topic, the opening sentences. Then the topic sentences, what the paragraph is all about, what is the topic, you have to mention that. And after that, you have to give a very creamy layer of three supporting sentences. Okay, so there must be some supporting sentences which include some evidences or some examples, some facts, like that. It must have a base of a conclusion, means you end up it with the conclusion. So this is the basic structure for writing a paragraph. Now, what are the good qualities of a paragraph, or what are the things which is needed to include in a good paragraph? So a good paragraph has unity. Unity means one main idea, topic sentence, and other supporting sentences. Then for support, you need to give some supporting ideas, evidences, examples, and details. After that, it also contains coherence, means it must be in a well organized detail. Clear and sensible connection must be there, and linkers and connectors are included to write a paragraph. For good language, your content or your writing must have grammatical accuracy. Then a correct punctuation mark must be used, and apt vocabulary and variety of a structure can be formed during the writing. It also includes compare and contrast, means it to find out the similarities and differences, and to also analyze and evaluate two or more concepts. Then it also have cause and effect method. Cause and effect method means to explain why something has happened, why something happened as a result of something. So these things must be included or must contain a paragraph writing. Now understand here what are the types of paragraphs. So there are basically four types of paragraphs: descriptive paragraphs, narrative paragraphs, expository paragraph, and persuasive paragraph. Descriptive paragraphs tells you or describes about the topic, whereas narrative is used to express or to have some fun or for entertainment person. Expository paragraphs are generally written to inform something or to explain something, and persuasive is to influence and persuade. Now, the very main question, the main question is how we will write the paragraph. So for writing a paragraph, first of all you need to do the planning. Planning means selecting a topic, brainstorming ideas, determining important ideas, then organizing those ideas in a proper order, and then making a simple outline or sentences. After that, you need to draft it, means you have to write in this structure. First you have to mention the introduction, then the body, and after that conclusion. And at last you revise it, edit it properly, and then you can publish it. Now here students, I am providing you one example of the paragraph. written on Canada. So there are three reasons why Canada is one of the best countries in the world. First, Canada has an excellent healthcare system. All Canadians have access to medical services at a reasonable price. Second, Canada has a high standard of education. Students are taught by well-trained teachers and are encouraged to continue studying in the university. After that, Canada's Canada's cities are clean and efficiently managed. Canadian cities have many parks and lots of space for people to live. As a result, Canada is desirable place to live. So as you can see here, the very first highlighted line in black, it is the introductory part, or the you can say the topic sentence. Then those sentences which are written in blue in color, highlighted in blue in color, they are some facts about or some information about Canada, or you can say that structure sentences. And after that, at last, there must be conclusion. So I hope students, you have understood very well that how you can write a paragraph by yourself. Now I wish that you can practice it as much as you can. It will help you to get a very good perfection in paragraph writing. So thank you so much for watching this video. That's all for today. I will see you soon in the next class. Bye bye.